Check this out. You can see our trim has separated from our window, and believe it or not, this tiny little gap can cause a lot of the inside air to escape. That means the heater or the air conditioner is going to work overtime and a lot less efficiently. What we're going to do is seal the gap, and in this case, because it is so small, we're just going to use a nice quality exterior latex caulk. All we have to do is run a bead into the gap. We'll come back, push that in place, smooth it out, and once it cures up, we'll be able to paint this. And we want to do that around all of the windows around the house. Now, if you have a gap that's a little larger than 1/4 of an inch, say it's a 1/2 an inch or so, what you want to do is run down to your hardware store, the home center, pick up some foam backer rod, push this into the gap first, then you can caulk on top of that. Now, you will have some gaps that are even larger than that. It may be around a dryer vent, possibly some plumbing pipes. You'll want to fill that too. And what you want to use is an expandable foam. You just squirt this into it. It expands, as the name implies, and once it cures, and let it cure because it'll be messy otherwise, you come back and just trim it down flush with the outside of the house. You can actually paint it, even stain it to match the exterior, and then you're ready to go.